the track, I blew it up, and we broke the rear end. We got a 9-inch from Quick Performance. Ryan Martin kind of hooked me up on that deal. Car's been down here with Dylan for a while. He's been tuning on it a little bit. Car just made, I think he made a quick NA pull, made 380, 390 the tire. The 9-inch obviously ate up a little bit of that power. Today, Nitrous Express has been kind enough to send me a pretty cool digital controller, some new solenoids, bottle, all the goodies. We're gonna jet it to probably 150, so where it likes it. Hopefully we can get to over 500 wheel today on a stock LS1 with some nitrous. And Lincoln says he wants to do some wheelies on the street with it. So we're going to put a lot of weight bias in the back and see if we can do some wheelies. I also brought the 98 Supra we've been redoing. We're going to put it on the dyno. Those cars make 220 horsepower to the crank. That car's got 170,000 miles and it is busted. So that car makes anything north of 170 wheel, I'll be really happy. But I wanted to get a baseline today on that car before we go down this road of an RS 1600, 6870, really nice, you know, fuel system, computer and all that. All right, I'm gonna guess it. 172. That's like typical Supra. It's like real spiky.
Doesn't matter. There's soot from.
All right, so we just got the Trans Am off the bottle. I wanted to see what the Supra would make stock before we started messing with it. It made 166 wheel horsepower, kind of what I expected through the auto. But I mean, we're on the dyno. I've got a full nitrous bottle. Lincoln, do you want to spray the car?
Me.
Me?
Yeah.
You said you wanted to.
You.
So we're gonna spray it through the air intake, through the air filter. Probably won't make a huge difference, but we're gonna give it the beans. All right, I got my aim down. I'm ready when you are.
All right.
Don't try this at home, kids. I don't recommend this if you like your motors to live. It picked up 110 horsepower and 80 pound-feet of torque. Was that awesome? That's a lot more than I thought it picked up. I did not expect it to pick that much up.